Welcome on board another of my compilation, this time freight trains and some offlinks. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me, at the end you will have a surprise. We are now approaching Salem Junction. Salem Junction is one of the main junctions on the Chennai Central Ernakulam route, and Salem is the home to Salem Steel Plant, and so you see a lot of freight activities. Here you see a twin WAG5 linked freight train, and most of the freight trains, these are is a dual or twin WDG3A GOC linking a open box freight, most probably carrying coal to the Salem steel plant. The containers are empty now. We are getting into the Salem junction platform. We are at Salem Junction now. There you see the Dadar Express standing near the platform. Dadar Express goes till Renigunta. Here is the freight train that we saw with WDG3A being pushed from behind by a WDG4 long freight train.
Two WDG3s and one WDG4 from behind, running that goods train, pushing and pulling.
We are departing from Salem Junction now towards Erode. We are still being hauled by the WDP4 40462 GOC from Bangalore City Junction. There will be a local change in the next station, which is Erode Junction.
Salem Junction.
And the locomotive will change from WDP4D to a WAP4 till Ernakulam Junction. So Erode Junction to Ernakulam is WAP4 would be our locomotive. We are leaving Salem. Coming up now are some offlinks, WAP4s and WAG7, two in bright colors, the newer one repainted and the old one, the color worn out.
Good sight. All are
beautiful sight here.
There.
We are slowly picking up speed now, just out of Salem Junction, and here again another freight train waiting at the outer signal of Salem Junction, going towards Chennai Central or other place, most probably Chennai Central. Again a twin WAG5 HA locomotives hauling the long freight train. The smoking WDP4, you can see it on the curve now. The god waving his green flag in acknowledgement of seeing me. Another crossing coming up now at WAG7 freight train. As I said earlier, there is a plenty of freight movement around the Salem. Surprisingly, we didn't even see one passenger train crossing us at this time. We are cruising along nicely now. The speed in excess of close to 100 kilometers per hour. Another one coming up, WAG9 freight train now. We are at nice speed, excess of 100 kilometers. The WDP4 showing its full mettle and power. In a short while we should be slowing down to get into Erode Junction, where there will be a locomotive change from WDP4 to WAP4. We are now entering Erode Junction. Erode Junction is one of the very important railway junctions for Southern Railway. The reason being is that it houses both electric and diesel loco sheds. Here is a electrical multiple unit. Very rare to see them in this part. Erode Junction has the distinction of housing diesel and electric loco sheds, and both of them are ISO certified, and as of last count they have about over 350 locomotives in the roster in Erode. Primarily WAP4s and WDM2As, WDM3 and WDGs. I still have not seen WDP4 or WDP4 later versions, the D versions here based at Erode. Of late there are a lot of WDP4Ds which have come into the Golden Rock workshop near Tiruchirappalli, and they are slowly replacing the current WDM3s and 2s and WDGs which have been used for passenger traffic till now.
Offlinks, WAG7, and then
we are
WAG9.
now in Erode Junction. As I said earlier, Erode Junction has the distinction of being the home to both diesel and electric loco sheds, and hence you see a lot of actions and a lot of offlinks that are here.
It's like the WAG9
can see WAG7 and WAG9s here, and that's another WAG9 that is coming up now. In the last count, there were over 350 locomotives that were under the roster of the Erode electric and diesel locomotive shed.
This is the
That's the
WDP4D
WDP4.
which just brought us here. Shut down now. Don't know why.
Startup of WDP4. This will be now delinked and taken away,
The engine will change now.
and will be replaced by a WAP4.
Engine has been coupled and it will go away now.
I always love to watch the decoupling and coupling whenever there is an opportunity arises.
We'll take it to the shed.
The outgoing crew gets down and the new crew gets in and takes it to the yard. You get to see the locomotives in close quarters. It's being taken away now. The WDP4D, WDP4D 40460 GOC Golden Rock.
Going to
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell symbol to get automatic notification on new uploads. Thank you and have a pleasant day.